How to fix WhatsApp camera not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp camera not working problem. So guys, I will show you some tips. So if you like the video, then just subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up on the video. So let's get started. So guys, first you have to go to your Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp and then see your WhatsApp is updated or not. So my WhatsApp is updated. So what you have to do is, after updating your WhatsApp, you have to go to your phone settings. And then after going to phone settings, scroll down and go to app management or install apps or anything what you have in your phone. I'll go to app management and then wait for a second and just click to show system process. So now you have to go to phone camera. You can see here and camera option, just click on camera. And then what you have to do is, you can see here storage uses, just click to storage uses and then you have to clear all the data here. Now scroll down and you can see here permission, just click to permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. So now go back and go to WhatsApp. After going to WhatsApp, what you have to do is, I will show you. After going to WhatsApp, first you have to stop the force here. Now you have to clear all the data here. Now scroll down and you can see here permissions, just click to permission and you have to allow the camera permission here. Now close it and then go to your WhatsApp, uninstall. You can uninstall your WhatsApp and then what you have to do is, after uninstalling, you have to reinstall it and relogin it, and then let's see we can use our camera or not. So here we can use the camera. See, we can upload to the story. My story is, yeah, it is done, so I will just delete this. So guys, this is how you can fix WhatsApp camera not working problem. Thanks for watching.